Hello friends, right now we are going to show you 5 best electric standing desk. We'll explore its key features, performance and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Veken 63 by 28-inch electric standing desk. Sit to stand up, work, home office computer table for study, walking pad, writing, and games. Wooden desktops, brown. Brand, Veken. Product dimensions, 28D by 63W by 27.9H. Color, brown. Style, office desk. Base material, cold rolled steel. Top material type, blockboard. Finish type, laminated. Special feature, adjustable height, electric, ergonomic, hassle-free installation, memory preset. Item weight, 43.4 pounds. Furniture finish, brown. Friendly remind, this Veken standing desk is built with joined pieces. Spacious work surface. With its expansive 63 by 28 desktop, this standing desk effortlessly accommodates multiple monitors and office supplies, providing ample space for an organized and efficient workflow. Ergonomic curved edge. Designed with a smooth, human-centric curved edge, it reduces arm strain and allows easy access to items, enhancing comfort and productivity during long work hours. Rock-solid stability. The reinforced structure ensures exceptional stability and shake-free operation, even at full height, keeping you focused without distractions. Heavy-duty metal frame. Constructed with premium steel, the desk legs offer robust load-bearing capacity and long-lasting durability, supporting your daily work needs reliably. Number 4. Veken 63 by 28-inch electric standing desk. Sit to stand up, work home office computer table for study, walking pad, writing, and games. Wooden desktop desks. Brand, Veken. Product dimensions 28D by 63W by 27.9H. Color, black. Style, computer desk for gaming. Base material, cold rolled steel. Top material type, blockboard. Friendly remind, this Veken standing desk is built with joined pieces. Spacious work surface. With its expansive 63 by 28 desktop, this standing desk effortlessly accommodates multiple monitors and office supplies, providing ample space for an organized and efficient workflow. Ergonomic curved edge. Designed with a smooth, human-centric curved edge, it reduces arm strain and allows easy access to items, enhancing comfort and productivity during long work hours. Rock-solid stability. The reinforced structure ensures exceptional stability and shake-free operation, even at full height, keeping you focused without distractions. Heavy-duty metal frame. Constructed with premium steel, the desk legs offer robust load-bearing capacity and long-lasting durability, supporting your daily work needs reliably. Number 3. Huuger 55 by 28 large electric standing desk. Height adjustable computer desk, 27.6 deep desktop, stand-up gaming office desk with 2 hooks, 3 preset heights for home office, rustic brown. Color, rustic brown. Base material, metal. Size, 55 by 28 inch. Style, modern. Frame material, steel. Manufacturer, Huuger. Top color, rustic brown. Deep-ended desktop, wide workspace. With a 55 by 27.6 inch wide desktop made from durable and green materials, this electric standing desk adjustable height prioritizes your health and working hours. 2 hooks on both sides of the standing computer desk offer added convenience, keeping your headphone or computer bags organized. Cable managers let you stay away from tangled wires. Multifunction intelligent keypad. Operating voltage 110 to 220V. Featuring a sleek LED display and easy buttoning keypad, this adjustable standing desk offers 3 customizable height presets and precision up and down controls. This standing desk for walking pad allows you to switch between sitting and standing at the press of a button, with an adjustable height range from 28.3 inch to 46.5. Say goodbye to sedentary habits and hello to improved focus, energy, and posture with this electric standing desk. Whisper quiet operation. Powered by a robust yet quiet motor operating at less than 45 dB, the wide, deep desk brings smooth height adjustments without disturbing your household or office environment. This stand-up desk for home office is ideal for keeping focus and silent. Number 1. ErGear Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk. 55 by 28 inches sit stand-up desk, large memory computer home office desk with 2-piece desktop. Color, vintage brown. Base material, alloy steel. Size, 55 by 28 inch. Style, vintage. Furniture leg material, alloy steel. Hutch material, engineered wood. Outstanding stability. This electric standing desk has a sturdy, solid steel frame with aerospace-grade lifting column connectors. It's a firm foundation for work, even at full height. Smooth height adjustment. Freely select electric standing desk height from 28.35 inches to 46.91. Save your favorite 3 settings and smoothly switch between them. Up-rated motor. Powerful lifting performance and reliable long-term operation. Safe, low VOC materials. Formaldehyde and other VOC emissions are sharply reduced, meeting U.S. federal and state safe air standards. Number 2. VERSADESK PowerPro 36-inch electric standing desk converter. Height adjustable sit-to-stand-up desk riser. Laptop and dual-monitor desktop workstation with wide keyboard tray and USB port. Color, black. Material, engineered wood. Brand, VERSADESK. Item dimensions L by W by H, 39 by 23 by 7 inches. Finish type, powder-coated. Push-button electric height adjustment. Effortlessly transition between sitting and standing with the push of a button. Experience smooth, quiet, and precise height adjustments that cater to your comfort and productivity needs. Elevate your workspace to new heights with our versatile desk converter. Seamlessly support up to 3 monitors, optional monitor arms and monitors not included, while enjoying ample space on the lower deck for your keyboard and mouse. Embrace the freedom of a clutter-free, ergonomic setup that enhances your workflow. USB charging port. Stay powered up and connected with ease. Our desk converter features a convenient USB charging port, allowing you to charge your accessories effortlessly while you work. Say goodbye to the hassle of searching for available outlets and stay focused on what matters most.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.